Hey, this is Craig with S&B Filters. Today we're going to be installing our mud flap delete kits on this 19 to 24 Chevy Silverado. We're going to be replacing this factory mud flap with our S&B mud flap delete. All right, first step, we're going to turn our wheel to the outside so you can get to all these screws. There's going to be 2 screws under here. This truck's already been trimmed out, so this screw is missing. So there's 2 under there, and then there's 2 right here. So we'll get started and remove these. It's a T15 Torx. You can see the tires already rubbing on the OE ones. So there's also a clip in here. You're going to want to pull that out. It's probably best to remove this clip. It'll let the S&B sit a little bit more flush to the panel. All right, we're going to want to clean this fender real good. Get rid of all the dirt and dust that's underneath it so it sits nice and flush. So we're going to have a screw here, and one under there. Same screws you removed. All right, now we're at the rear of the truck. We're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2 underneath there. Same T15 Torx. Again, there's going to be a clip here. Pull it out of the clip. Remove the clip from the fender so that the mud flap delete sits flush. We're going to wipe this down, make sure it's all clean. Then we're just going to replace it with the S&B, and we're going to use those same screws we removed. All right, that's it. You're going to repeat the process on the other side. Like I said, quick and easy install. Let us know if you have any questions.